Hello, in this video I want to show you how to get the Hogwarts Legacy. And to do this, you can try multiple platforms. In this case, I'll be using Steam. So right here, we need to go all the way up and look for the game, enter Hogwarts Legacy. Now, at this point, you can choose between the Digital Deluxe Edition as well as the normal per purchase, the normal edition of the game. In this case, I'm going for the Digital Deluxe, and now add it to your cart with this button. Then go for purchase for myself. And now you can pick different payment methods. In this case, I have one already saved. So proceed with a payment procedure and you should be able to get the game. Then you can find it in your library and start downloading. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.